So this is everything out of the box right now. Alright, let's get to work and build it. Here we go. Alright, this is set up now. Right there's the knockover. There's this great digger here. And then the ramp. Here you can use, or you can do like that, or you want. And he comes with the button here he can use. And there's this one too. Alright, let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Let's try that again. Oh my goodness. Let's try that again. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Grim just opened his mouth too. He can use. Look like the other. He can't open his mouth. I got a plan. Wow, there we go. That's better. That's pretty cool looking. Alright. What do you want to do? You could do it. You could done playing with it or not. You will. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Taking on other videos. Have a happy Christmas Eve. Tomorrow's Christmas Day, so my cousins are coming to town. They're from Arizona, so look out for that. So I'll see you later. Bye.